Welcome to iScholar, a global provider of on-demand online education and learning services. iScholar's innovative learning management system, the one-of-a-kind two-way interactive platform, makes learning interesting and exciting. Let's see how. The first step is to log into learn.ischolareducation.com using your login credentials which you receive as a part of your welcome kit at iScholar. Enter your registered email ID and password and click Login. This is the main dashboard which gives you an overview of your activities throughout the course. Let's go through the various sections on the dashboard. The last viewed section displays the last topic that you had gone through during your previous login. This helps you restart from the point where you left your lesson. The My Progress bar helps you keep a track of your progress on the different subjects. In this case, as you notice, the subject-wise progress bar shows that the student has completed 6% of the courseware in physics and chemistry each, but hasn't started his course on maths. The Updates section sends all notifications and reminders to you about any upcoming live sessions, response to your questions, and so on. The forum displays the questions posted by students along with responses given by experts within 24 hours of posting a question. In case you have posted a question, you will receive a notification when an expert answers it. The My Activities section is where you will find the assignments and tests given to you by your tutors, which must be completed within the given due date. Coming to the subjects covered at iScholar's I30, we have physics, chemistry, and mathematics. Let's browse through a physics lesson. The subject-wise dashboard. Physics, in this case, opens. The elements on this dashboard are exactly the same as the main dashboard. But the one important difference is that this dashboard is only related to physics. In other words, posts related to physics. Your progress on the chapter covered in physics. Questions related to physics and assessments on physics appear on the screen. The updates will, however, be the same as on the main dashboard. Moving on to the Content tab, all the chapters are displayed on the left column of the screen. The View Book option under each chapter takes you to the PDF for the particular chapter. The My Notes option shows the notes that you have created for your reference while watching the video. We'll learn more about how you can create notes in just a while. The Your Progress bar tells you your status of completion of a particular chapter, whereas the Peer Progress bar shows the status of completion of the same chapter by your peers, which in turn helps you gauge your level of preparation in comparison to your peers and keeps your momentum going. The topics for each chapter are listed here, and under each topic there are one or more video lectures for you to refer and learn. For instance, Electric Cell has 6 videos and Electric Current has 14 videos for you. Once you complete a particular video, you will see a completed tag on top of it. In case you just go through a part of the video or drag the mouse over to the end of it, a viewed tag gets displayed. At this point, note, just as in a class, you do not have the option to miss a lesson and jump to the next one. Similarly, at a class in iScholar, you must go complete every topic-based video in the sequence presented to you, as you do not have an option to skip a video and proceed to the next one. For ease of every student, at the time of subscription, you have the option to choose the language in which you want to attend the classes. iScholar offers classes in English as well as a combination of English and Hindi. However, do remember that all assessments are given in English only, as all competitive exams have their papers in English. Here is a demo of a class conducted by one of our faculties in English.
Everything is made up of atom that we know very clearly. So everything basically possesses charge. But we know that atom as a whole is neutral because the number of protons are equal to number of electrons.
Here is a demo of a class conducted by one of our faculties in a combination of English and Hindi.
मॉलिक्युलरिटी क्या है? अगर यहाँ पे मैं डेफिनेशन दूं मॉलिक्युलरिटी क्या है? मॉलिक्युलरिटी इज द मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल. It is the minimum number of molecule by which effective collision product is formed.
When you are watching a video, you have the option to choose the resolution at which you want to watch the video. Also, at the top right of every video, you have 3 options. Clicking on any one of them automatically pauses the video. Description presents to you a brief of what the video will cover. Ask an Expert option lets you post your question on the forum. For ease of student as well as teachers, your questions are video tagged. As such, whenever a tutor responds to your query, he or she may refer to the exact point in the topic where you have raised the question. This helps them comprehend a student's perspective better apart from understanding where the student had a doubt. Notes lets you take down your points just as in a physical classroom for your reference later. Now, when you go on to the My Notes section, it shows you the notes that you have made, which you may edit or delete later. Next is the Assessment tab. Each chapter has a set of timed assessments which you must attempt. Note, there are a few assessments where it is mandatory to attempt all questions, whereas there are some where you may skip a question due to lack of time or knowledge. Select the chapter from the drop-down list for which you wish to take the test. Let's take the example of current electricity, under which you have 4 assessments. We'll attempt the second assessment. Click Take Assessment to start the test. If you wish to change an answer or not attempt a question, click Clear Response. In case you aren't sure and want to revisit the question later, click Mark for Review. The question number turns blue. Once you attempt a question, click Save and Continue. The question number turns green. Once you complete the test, click Submit or Finish at the bottom of the last question. The results will be displayed instantly on your screen. You also have the option to check the correct answer for each question. Click Show Solution to get the step-by-step explanation for an answer. Do keep in mind that other than mock tests including your monthly, quarterly and yearly exams which you may attempt just once, the number of attempts for any other assessment is not limited. You may keep solving the problems and checking your relative progress over a period of time. Click View Results under the Assessment tab to check your performance at every attempt. The next tab on the subject dashboard is Ask an Expert. This is the forum where students put up their questions or doubts. Tutors or subject matter experts respond to the questions within the next 24 hours. To post a question, click Create Discussion. From the drop-down list, select the chapter you want to post a question for so that the right expert may reply to it. Type the question in the text box and click Submit. It appears immediately on the forum. Also, you have the option to delete or edit a question later that you have posted. The good feature of the LMS is that it encourages student participation by letting a peer respond to your question, which is again verified by an expert in terms of the correctness of the answer. The last tab on this dashboard is Where Am I? This tab helps students monitor their progress throughout the course. Here the various chapters are listed, against which the topics for each chapter are listed. The topic in a grey cell with a green tick show that you have completed it. The topic with a grey color indicates that you haven't yet watched the video. The topics in a blue cell with a green tick means that it was the last video you completed watching, and topics only in a blue cell means they are in progress. Click on Live Sessions whenever you have been notified of a live session by your tutor. Usually, you get a notification 48 hours before the session, and you must log into your account and be available at the mentioned time. In case you have any questions, you can always click Help on the top bar and go through the list of frequently asked questions put up there. For a quick search on a topic, just type in the keywords on the search box at the top bar and press Enter. It will list down all the chapters, topics, videos, and books related to that topic. To change your profile password, click on the top right corner of the page and use the Change Password option. To log out of a session, click Log Out. Hope this small brief on iScholar's learning management system helped you understand how our system functions. In case you still have a question for us, feel free to reach us at info@ischolareducation.com or visit our website at www.ischolareducation.com to know more about the power of online interactive learning.